If you ever felt overworked, undercelebrated, or held together by caffeine and hope, this show's for you. Season 4 of The Bear is finally here. The show follows Carmi, fine dining chef who returns home to his late brother's sandwich shop in Chicago. It's gritty, fast, chaotic, heartfelt, full of kitchen sounds that somehow feel like therapy and trauma at the same time. This season dives deep into emotional stakes. Army wrestles with emotional detachment, burnout, and letting go of what he can't control. If you ever felt overworked, undercelebrated, or held together by caffeine and hope, this show's for you.